Hello everyone and welcome to back my YouTube channel. I hope you are doing well. Today I am sharing some beautiful and lovely crochet frock designs for girls. If you love crochet dresses and handmade clothing, you will really enjoy these beautiful ideas. Crochet frocks are very cute, stylish and beautiful. They are perfect for little girls and can be made for birthday, weddings, parties, family events, and special occasions. There are so many different crochet styles, colors, and patterns to use from. Some dresses have simple designs while others have beautiful flowers, bows, and detailed crochet work. I really love how crochet can make a simple dress look very special. These frocks can be made in many different colors, soft colors like pink, white, cream, baby blue, lavender and light yellow like very beautiful for girls. Bright colors can also give the dress a fun and happy look. You can choose the colors according to your own style and very beautiful favorite combination. Another beautiful thing about crochet dresses is that you can create your own design. You can make the top simple and add more work to the skirt. You can also make the skirt wide to give dresses cute princess look. Small crochet flowers can also be added to make the frock more attractive. Flowers are one of my favorite details for crochet dresses. You can add one big flowers or you can add many small flowers around the dress. Ribbon and bows can also make the frock look very cute. A small bow around the waist can give the dress a lovely and stylish look. You can also add beautiful buttons or small decorative details. These details can make a big difference. For a birthday party, you can choose bright and beautiful colors. For a wedding and smileys and soft, elegant and colors look amazing. White and pink are very beautiful combination. You can also make small changes according to your needs. For example, you can make the dress shorter or longer. This is where crochet is so creative and fun. Some crochet frocks have a very beautiful and elegant look. Others have more detailed pattern and decorations. Both styles are beautiful in their own way. If you like simple dresses, you can choose a clean crochet pattern with two matching colors. I hope these crochet frock ideas give you some inspiration. Maybe you have found a design that you really like. You can save your favorite ideas and use them later your own crochet project. If you enjoy crochet, keep trying new pattern and new color combination. The most important thing is to enjoy the process and create something that you love. Please share this video with your friends and family members who love crochet. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate your support. See you in the next video. Take care and have a wonderful day. Allah Hafiz.